Thing she's opening is this Zoom Zoom. Is that what it's called?
Zoom, yeah.
Mystery
It's
pack.
called Zoom.
So here are the ones she can get.
Yeah.
And she said she wants the Dalmatian, so that one. All right, I'll cut it open for you.
Okay.
Okay. So, that's what it is inside. Oh gosh, hang on. Okay, so it fell out. And this is what she got, so she's gonna open it up. Oh, hang on, I gotta cut it.
I know what character it is.
It's not the Dalmatian, but
yeah.
you still like it, right?
Yeah, I
There
still
you go.
like him.
So go ahead and take it out and show it.
Okay. Let me just open this other packet. Okay. So we're just gonna take his little. I know what character he is. It's Donald. And then he comes with.
This is her first one.
Yeah, that was my first one. And he has his little floaty. He can put himself in there and just float, float, float.
All right, so now the last one is
The littlest pet shop. Good thing I'm growing up to 4 because it says not allowed 3.
okay. All right, I can't show her what she got, so I'm gonna hide it behind my hand. That's what she got. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Here it is.
Oh, this is so cute. It's so cute.
And
It's adorable.
there's that and this thing.
I don't know. It's his little stand he can stand on.
All right, so there's her opening all her
Stuff.
Yeah. All right, what do you say to end the video?
Bye, guys.